Hello, this is Lonnie Hillary with Kennedy Concrete. We're out here in Melbourne, Florida today, supplying concrete to JR's Concrete Pumping to fill in a 3D printed house. Something new, innovative in our market. Kennedy Concrete is proud to be a partner of this milestone, bringing innovation, quality, and community impact together in a whole new way. By working with expert partners like JR's Concrete Pumping, we're delivering the perfect mix to keep this innovative process moving seamlessly. Kennedy Concrete, we're building the future.